Hey YouTube, welcome back to Wednesday midweek video, and we have an awesome video because we're gonna do something a little different. So last night I was up super late ultrasounding all the different females. We've had some really awesome ones that are now officially gravid. I thought it'd be fun to look at them and talk about why we're so excited about them. Let's roll into it. We're not gonna bother too much, but this is Black Pastel Wookiee Yellow Belly. I got this from Ernesto Gutierrez in Chicago, an awesome guy, awesome snake. And so what's so cool about this one is we actually bred it to a Batman chocolate, or chocolate Batman. We call that one Count Chocula. This is interesting because Wookiee is basically a lilac, we now know, with both spot nose and chocolate. And so this will be the very first clutch to see what a Wookiee chocolate looks like. You know, we know it's gonna be like a super form, but is it gonna look just like a super chocolate or a super Wookiee, or what's it gonna be? Plus we have a chance to make a Wookiee version of the Dark Knight. Just really excited, and a beautiful girl. Can't wait to see. Here is number 4, and an absolutely amazing leopard spot nose fire desert ghost. But here's the cool thing is that she's possible het pi 50% and possible het hypo. She's also possible het cryptic. So much going on. The cool thing is we bred her to a male that's going to prove out all those things hopefully. So we bred to a hypo clown, so that'll prove out the hypo part and the het cryptic part, because the lilac will give us kryptons if she's het cryptic. And the clown is also het pied, so it's a het to het pied potentially. We could potentially get some crazy stuff out of this girl, and it's so exciting to see her gravid and knowing we have something amazing coming from her. This is number 4. 2.0, so this is the second what we're doing for number 4, and I just had to show a Mario Desert Ghost that's gravid, because what's so great is that the Mario is not a really crazy gene as far as being very visual. However, when you put it with the Desert Ghost, it makes him look almost exanthic, but it's much easier to make and absolutely beautiful. Really love this gene. So this girl, ooh, I like this. She's bred to red stripe, fire, leopard spot nose, desert ghost. So we should get all visuals out of this clutch. Really powerful. For number 3, we have this incredible red stripe, yellow belly fire clown. And she is really cool, but I'm super excited about what she's carrying. So she is gravid right now from a Trojan trick het clown. So this will be my first Trojan clowns. I think we're gonna see some Trojan clowns before her clutch hatches. I have some inside knowledge about that. They're really cool. But this will be my first clutch of them. And I'm really curious to see what it does with the fire and the red stripe and all those different genes in there. Of course, we know yellow belly is really transformational in clowns. Just tons of potential in this clutch. Okay, here's our second one for number 3. We're just gonna try to get them all in there. So this is the Pastel Monarch het G-stripe. I got this girl from Tom Harbin. Really amazing, and she is just ovulated. You see down here how swollen she is, and you see like almost like a second tier of thickness there. So she's bred to a crazy quad het. So this is a black pastel spot nose, yellow belly, red stripe. So 4 incomplete dominant genes, and then quad het for cryptic, clown, desert ghost, and G-stripe. So we could get some visual G-stripes out of this that are multi-gene het and pos het for other things. Here's a number 2. So this is a beautiful cypress fire spot nose het clown. We bred her to a orange dream yellow belly special clown. So I'm really curious to see what the special and the cypress end up doing together in the clown. We've never done anything like that. The spot nose is going to be a big X factor in there because spot nose is just wild in any clown. It really changes up the pattern. You see how bright and glowing she is? That's why, to me, if you put yellow belly and orange dream and then you hit it into a clown, that's going to be one of the most epic babies we'll make this year if we can hit it. This will be our second number 2. So this is Fire Lace Clown. And this is not necessarily the most crazy and brightest clown we have, but it's a very rare combo, and just a chance to see a beautiful lace clown that is currently gravid is very exciting. So Fire Lace Clown, she's so bright and pretty. We bred her to an inchy yellow belly lace het clown. So this will be a white lace clown clutch, hopefully. And we have fire, inchy, and yellow belly in the mix. It should be really epic, I think. All right, for number 1, these are not necessarily in the right order. They're going to be different for every person, but we had to go back to a desert ghost. This is a beautiful pastel desert ghost G-stripe, and she is also het cryptic. Really pretty. She is currently gravid from a pied double het desert ghost clown. So the cool thing is this will be essentially quad hets we'll get out of this. And last year we made an incredible clutch from her that was quad hets and 5 het, but the problem is we didn't get any male. So I kind of had to do another pairing just to get that right male Those girls are going to be right up to size by the time hopefully we'll get a nice boy from her this year. Really cool and excited about this clutch. So that's it. That's a good start. We're really excited about this season. It's really running quite a bit later than we expected, honestly. Just the number of clutches that are now either laying or still waiting for them to lay and last year the girls had already laid. So I'm not sure what kind of changes the season from one season to the next, but we're still super excited about it. As long as they're coming, as long as we can share them with you guys, that's what it's all about. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on Friday. We have a special reveal.